Hello, my name is 경전TV from Seoul, Korea. I'm a professor of Gyeonggi University and I'm also the director of Research Institute of User-Centric Artificial Intelligence Forum. Today, I'd like to focus on the GPT revolution and real-world AI sharing related to the 5G smart city applications of Korea. As you know, the ChatGPT was announced on November 30th last year. The history of artificial intelligence is divided before and after ChatGPT. And in the United States, GPT-4 already announced, and Meta AI announced LLaMA, and Stanford University revised the LLaMA into the Alpaca, and Google announced already BAAI. And in China, Huawei announced Hangu Alpha, and Baidu recently announced early board. And BAAI also developed HyperCLOVA foundation model of artificial intelligence. And in Korea, Naver's HyperCLOVA announced last year, and LG, SK, and Korea Telecom, the three telcos of Korea have been involved in developing hyperscale foundation models of artificial intelligence. So 5G smart city applications in Korea will be very much affected by the GPT revolution. Today I talk about the features of the ChatGPT with the 5 consonants of the word. The C can mean the creative and conversational. So the creative feature of ChatGPT will affect R&D, manufacturing, and the conversational feature of the ChatGPT will affect service industry. And H represents human level, human involved, but not human life. And the T means transformer, the core technology of the ChatGPT. And it will be very much transformative influence on industry. And it will be the trigger of the AI revolution. So it will affect much the re-engineering of the work and innovation of the business models. And the G means generative and general. So in the education, we need to focus on the critical thinking, analytic skill, local knowledge, and context-based learning. And the last letter P means Pretrained and Profitable. Let me skip the meaning of the P. And what is the revolutionary? In what way the ChatGPT is revolutionary? So the 3 revolutions we can see. The first one is conversational AI revolution, and the second one is fast generative AI revolution, and the last one is artificial general intelligence revolution. So ChatGPT is the first example of that AGI. So now it is very good time to start over everything. And 2.5 years ago, inspired from the GPT-3, I have been developing GCI, the General Commerce Intelligence Engine. And it's very similar to the GPT-3 approach. GPT-3 trains the AI model from the document. In our approach, we trained our AI model with the reasoning, natural language reasoning. So every companies have the transaction data, and each consumer has its own individual listed information. So using this, the natural language text, we trained AI model, and we developed a recommendation engine. And based on the recommendation engine, we can derive many services like target marketing, product brainstorming, inventory forecasting, things like that. And we apply this AI engine to the Busan metropolitan city, the payment and delivery services. This is the typical screen of our AI recommendation of products. And with the ChatGPT, nowadays the Shopify, the largest e-commerce platform in North America, and Instacart in the United States, and Getcha in Korea, already developed conversational AI e-commerce. And BAAI recently announced the application of GPT-4 already for the blind person. So the blind person cannot enjoy the website and the mobile app, but with the help of GPT-4, the GPT-4 can explain the screen of the website and mobile app and the e-commerce site. So in this screen, the GPT-4 can explain what kind of features the blind person are now seeing. And in Korea also, My Real Trip, this kind of smart city tour services already applied to ChatGPT. And this screen shows our application of ChatGPT and the generative AI system. So with our AI recommendation engine, sometimes the AI engine produces some kind of hallucination. So new product names, but the names can be used for product brainstorming. So in Korea, Rose sauce fried chicken set has not been announced from the business, but my AI engine produced these new kinds of products: Rose chicken set, stir fried spicy toast, small octopus green spaghetti, red pepper egg toast. So these are new product names, and based on the new product names, our generative AI engine produced a new product image. And with this kind of technology, we can apply this to the event promotion, hyper-personalized event promotion. Currently, the event promotion of companies is not based on it's not personalized, but using the ChatGPT, the conversational AI, and the generative AI system, we can fastly generate target marketing plus event promotion campaign. So it is all generated by our AI systems. Even Coca-Cola already using the ChatGPT and DALL-E. So we can expect the GPT revolution of smart city, conversational smart city for citizens, and fast smart city management by generative AI, and conversational politics, journalism, public relations, content, education, coaching and consulting, healthcare, and even the robotics. The conversational healthcare example, Buddha in Korea, and conversational robotics example announced by Microsoft, Google, and Carnegie Mellon. And I think the next wave of AI will be real-world AI, confidential AI, and AI sharing rather than data sharing, and federated learning. The smart city can be seen as an artificial neural network system. And as we share our intelligence in this forum, the AI system can share their insight and intelligence through the sharing. So in healthcare, nowadays, World Economic Forum emphasizes the AI sharing rather than data sharing. And so the hospitals, banks, and many other social entities do not have to share their data, but they can collaborate by sharing their AI intelligence. So in this example, the 20 hospitals worldwide do not share their hospital data, but they can share their AI model, so they can train each AI model with each patient data, and then they can integrate each AI into one whole AI model. Then usually the 30% performance improvement can be accomplished. And in the transportation of smart city, the same approach, the AI sharing, can be applied. Many entities in smart city do not want their data with the government, even with the government. Each telecom company doesn't want to share their valuable data with other competitors and with governments, but they can share their AI for the social objective. So in Busan, the metropolitan city, Busan is now preparing the Expo 2030. So we are pursuing the 7 agendas based on the new wave of artificial intelligence. So citizen-centric transportation, automatic payment, and citizen-centric personalized healthcare, and personalized global competence training, and global friendly 2030, and AI sharing platform, micro, small and medium enterprises, and intelligent logistics, and AI-based matching, engine-based service development. And with the AI sharing technology, we can create value by empowering the real-world association, such as payment company, manufacturing company, insurance company, things like that. And it is an interesting example, but two years ago, the 20 countries worldwide had MOU about sharing their data among the banks and among the governments for fighting money laundering. But it failed because banks and countries do not want to share the real-time information. So instead, they decide to share the AI rather than data. So UK and United States now pursuing the anti-money laundering project by AI sharing. So the final slide. So I think that the 5G smart cities can be supported by conversational AI and generative AI and real-world AI sharing. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. for sharing. And our next speaker is from Brazil. Let's welcome Mr. Fabiano Feligani, CEO of Mobicashes.